Welcome to Foxtecc. If you're trying to log into Snapchat on your iPad, the process is straightforward, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Let's go through the steps to get you signed in without any issues. First, download Snapchat from the App Store and install it on your iPad. There's now a dedicated iPad version of the app, but if you're using an older iPad, you might only find the iPhone version, which will run in a scaled up mode. Either way, the login process remains the same. Once the app is installed, open Snapchat and tap on the login button. You've probably noticed that the app only works in portrait mode, which might be frustrating if you prefer using your iPad in landscape. Unfortunately, there's no built-in way to rotate the app, but I do have a separate video on how to use Snapchat Web in landscape mode. You'll find the link in the description. Next, enter your username or email along with your password. If Snapchat asks for additional verification, follow the on-screen steps such as entering a security code sent to your phone or email. Once that's done, tap login and Snapchat will load your account. If you experience login issues, make sure your internet connection is stable or try resetting your password through the forgot password option. That's it. Now you know how to log into Snapchat on your iPad. If this helped, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone and iPad tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.